got a full belly.
Really? And then they all race down the hill? That sounds like quite a chase. Well, they'd almost have to in order to catch him. So they caught him and then all was well. Oh no, then it erupted again. Then they all sat together for a meal. A cow. That's quite a story. And you were there for all of this? You were there for all of this? My goodness. It's amazing you're not exhausted.